Hello guys, welcome to today's episode. So today we'll be explaining to you how to install this beautiful website HRMIFLY. Yes, so let's do the introduction of the website. HRMIFLY is a human resources management systems. Yes, it enables organizations or companies to manage their employees, their payroll, attendance, and all sorts of things. So now let's move to the installation of the website. Yes, so like you already know that created your database and your domain. I've created my database and I already have my domain here. This is my database. Yeah, this is where you create it. So now let's move to the installation now. Go to our cPanel, then search for file manager here, click on it. So while it loads, yes, we are there. While it loads, yeah, good. So go to your domain, your folder, yes, you click it, yes, and you then the first thing you do is to upload. We're going to upload our file. So yes, we're going to upload. Yes, this first I'm going to upload inside our folder. So you already know that I mean when you purchase your website from Codecanyon, you're going to download a folder, and also you're going to get a purchase license. So now let's upload. We're going to upload. Yes, click on upload. Just wait while it loads. Okay, it's here. So you click on select file. Then look for your zip file. Yeah, this is it. So you click on open. So while it loads, while it uploads, yes, I'm going to wait for it to upload. So while it uploads, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. And if you need full installation of this website, you can contact us through the details on your screen. Yeah, so while we wait for it to upload, yeah, it has uploaded successfully. So we're going to go back to home. Yes, so we have it now. We have it, the zip file. So I'm going to extract it. Right click, then extract. Yes, extract files. Yes, it has extracted. So close. Yes, this is the file. Yeah, so this is the zip file. You can delete it if you want because of the space. Can you see? You can delete it if you want. It's not compulsory. If you want to delete it, you can leave it. Or so now this is the folder. We have business with the folder. You're going to enter the folder. Yes, can you see? Enter the folder. We're going to select all. When we select all, we're going to move them back to the root folder. Do you understand? I'm going to move them to the root folder. So when you select all, you come here and click on move. Then you edit this to your domain folder. So move files. I'm going to move them back. Can you see? It is now empty. So up one level, that's to go back. Don't forget, I used to say it. Up one level is to go back. Click it. Then everything is now in our root folder. So good. So now let's go live. Let's check up our website. Let's see. So open a new tab. Yes, then type your domain, your folder name. This is mine. This. So don't forget, you're going to add this. You're going to add public/install. Don't forget, after your domain, you're going to add public/install. So enter. Wait for it while it loads. That's the network. Load. Yes, now we have it. So next step. Yes, so now your host name, your username, and your password, your database. When you created your database, I hope you saved your password and username. Yeah, this is mine. Now I'm going to fill it. Yes, so this is my username. I'm going to copy. paste the same here. Then take your password, copy, paste to. Next step, now good, we are here. I see everything has been marked green. Just make sure your host has permission to the website. Now let's go next step. Good. Next step. Good. Good. Now can you see we are now into the website? It is HRMIFLY, next generation HRM management for your company. Like I said earlier, it is used to monitor your employees, attendance, payroll, salaries, and other features. Yes, so I can assure you that if you want to do that kind of thing, this website is the best for you. Now if you need the full installation, contact us through the details on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.